bitch like you.
She really like one of those soulful people. I wonder if I should go under the bridge or should I cut through here? Look. Oh yeah, you never seen it, huh? Yeah. I finally got my sister on camera, yo. Send that to me, send that to me. Man. Ooh. Who's gonna be on my next video? Dang, that's crazy. It's kind of cool. It's better than holding it, you know, in your hand and stuff. You don't want to be. I wonder if my window is, I like it about the same. Man, we sitting at this light. Come on now. Let me get my, I've been feeling a little weird in my left hand. I wonder if he going straight or he turning. You need to have a helmet on. I think he going straight. Oh my god, red light camera recording. I'm so tired. No, he was, bro. I gotta get them another video. I'm so tired. Turbo? It's like spraying. Yeah. We be sliding. Okay, so get me out this car. That's crazy, dog. Hopefully there's somewhere to park. I don't need to walk in with you, right?
Yes, that's what I was saying to you.
Bro, I do not have the right clothes on.
Please, I was telling you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I have on sandals. I don't freaking care. Watch this car. Ooh, that's the spot.
No, they're taking that spot.
We pull up like what the slime, jump. And you know we deep in.
Come on.
That Lululemon. Saying we getting money.
Low key, you know what I'm gonna do?
Pop out, you forever.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull you right here.
No, I wanted you to come out with me.
Alright.
Right here.
They don't have any handicaps.
Why did you do this? I said not to do this.
No, I just wrap back around and we go in.
Okay.
Cause you just picking up, Puka.
I don't gotta pay and all that stuff. Can you just pay for it for me?
Yeah, I got you.
Can you run in and get it?
No. You gonna come in with me. Ready?
Slow down, people walking. It's a lot. You gotta be cautious. Alright, this is way too far. You couldn't find something over there? I'm not gonna park deep in.
No, I'm going back over there.
Oh, I was about to say this.
Yeah, I'm just turning around. I'm just turning around.
They know they could have made more parking spots to be on there.
Man, y'all see what my sister got me doing? Come on. Chop, chop, we gotta go.
I'm gonna just give him a $20 bill.
Bro, what you doing? It's up to you.
Can you run in and get it? Can we go together?
Yeah.
Why should we park in the red?
Cause that's valet.
Oh.
But I'm gonna pick out back up when I get this stuff real quick. All right, we back, y'all. We finally got the package secured, and we headed back to where we gotta be at. But this lights will hurry up. Hopefully it's no traffic. What? No traffic? We gonna see, cause Slauson, you know how Slauson is. I know her. That's crazy. I used to go to high school. I almost beat all the traffic, y'all, but it's a lot of traffic. That's crazy. I rarely see those cars. And he got a convertible. That's fire. Oh, black man, yes sir. They broke their necks. That was crazy. I'm gonna do one more pull for y'all and then I'm gonna call it a vid. Appreciate you all for watching. Before we wait for the light. It's a gloomy day. I mean, it was raining a little bit earlier, but it is. This weather this year has been off a little bit, but it is. Alright, y'all. Of course they're gonna jump over. It always happens, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next vid. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and drop a make sure you got your post notifications on. I'm just trying to release more often. But yeah, y'all, appreciate you guys all for watching. M4 clean, man.